Hi, it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be making a 2016 Instagram baddie King Kylie era makeup tutorial. 2016, I feel like was a time that Instagram really just knew their place, and I don't think that they will ever get back to that level of being relevant. Ever since they copied Snapchat stories, and mind you, I like Instagram stories and I don't use Snapchat anymore. But I think since they started doing that, now they just literally don't know how to be original at all. And now with the reels and everything, I don't think Instagram can be a unique platform anymore the way that they used to. But 2016, the era when Instagram models were relevant, Kylie was posting her lip kits, everyone was waiting for these Kylie launches. Today I wanted to do this makeup to just reminisce in the old Instagram, because to be honest, I was like 13, 14, wasn't really doing makeup at that age. I'm lying. I'm literally completely lying. That's when I started doing makeup, but whatever. I want to do it to be nostalgic. I don't know what I'm explaining. First of all, I remember back then everyone was mad obsessed with being poreless for some reason and blurred like a filter. So I'm gonna start with Baby Skin by Maybelline because it's the only blurring thing I have. Honestly, if this was to be really accurate, I would be using the Benefit Professional because that's what everyone used to use. But I don't have that. I think, to be honest, I'm about to get it for free because I work at Ulta. We're doing this thing where, like, if we sell a certain amount, we get like this kit with the Professional in it, but I didn't get the chance to sell it today. So I put it only in the center of my face because that's where my pores are. If you see me not looking into the camera, I'm looking into the viewfinder, but I'm actually filming it on my phone, so I'm literally just looking at myself. And this is exactly what Tana Mojo used to do back then, so I feel like this is very accurate. Like, nobody was looking at the camera. We all look like this, and you're confused. You're like, what am I looking at? I'm looking at myself. I'm going to wet this beauty blender from Target with a old water bottle that I found in my room because I'm not going to the sink right now. I'm gonna be honest, in this era, I was using Tarte Shape Tape as foundation. I don't have Tarte Shape Tape anymore, and I'm not gonna be doing that today. But what I am gonna do is go very what I'm gonna be doing today is going very full coverage. So in order to do that, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. This one that's viral on TikTok, very amazing foundation. If this wig looks crazy, I don't care. Snapchat era, doing your makeup to start a streak with your crush from school. I would do this and be like, good morning, streaks. Let me get this other mirror. I bought this other mirror yesterday. It's so cute. It's Hello Kitty and it lights up. Ring light. I miss when YouTubers just discovered ring lights and everyone was so hyped to like be overexposed. And honestly, it's okay if you don't blend it that well, because who was seeing this in that iPhone 7 Snapchat quality? My grandmother just busted in my room to argue with me, which is feeling exactly like 2016. I'm gonna put my wig and earrings and everything back on. Alright, I'm not putting the earrings back on. But anyways, I was putting this NARS, I think it's Radiant Creamy Concealer, something like that. My shade is Custard. Oh my, I need to like, my notifications are distracting me, and this is exactly what would happen when I would try to post my story in 2016. I think I'm inviting that 2016 energy in by accident, which is not what I'm trying to do. Trying to post on their Snapchat story while getting like 100 texts at once is dinging, like the notification sounds going off. Just the front looks ridiculous. Oh my god, let me put my concealer on. I think it's triangle time. I never do it like this. For today's video, my makeup already, the skin texture is looking disgusting. I'm a little bit stressed because my family is blowing up my phone because they don't know how to order food. Anyways, 2016, I miss the Tumblr era, and I think it's coming back, but I think the way that I miss it is wrong, and it shouldn't come back. Because I was like, what am I missing? Like, I was so sad and depressed at that time. Like, I literally used to wake up every day, take the train to school, watching sad XXXTentacion Simpsons edits in black and white, and sending streaks to people who were mean to me. Like, what am I reminiscing about? If you really want to think about it, it's just like we always just want to be nostalgic about everything now on TikTok, huh? Because what am I doing right now? Why am I acting like that was a fun time for me? Like, it really wasn't. I had a Shane Dawson pop socket on my phone case. I had the Shane Dawson Amazon merch. The quality was horrible. It was a pig that said "oh my god" on it. Like, dude, you're 30. Like, what was he making? I used to randomly do drag and use the Jeffree Star palette for my entire face, the androgyny palette. Right before filming this video, tell me why I got suggested Jeffree Star on Logan Paul's podcast. Like, if that is not the most 2017 video I could be suggested right now for absolutely no reason, like, that's a sign that I'm supposed to be making this right now. Contour. Just recently bought the mini version of like the Fenty contour sticks. I don't know, contour had its moment in 2016 and people contour now, but everyone is all about like looking natural. This was like, you wanted your face to look sculpted. For what? I don't know. We couldn't just look normal. Oh my god. And with my septum now, I used to wear a fake septum. Look how far I've come. I got a real one. I pierced it myself in college. Let me go closer. Oh, let me do eyebrows. I recently just started using this kit again. This is the Malibu Glitz eyebrow powder. I recently just threw away the pomade that I used to use literally like a month ago, that I used to use when I was filling my eyebrows thick. Because it was expired and disgusting, and you don't need to keep makeup for that long. But I'm gonna use the darker side of the powder and like the angled brush that it comes with to fill in my eye. Yo! My mother called me, but I was doing my eyebrows off camera. Everybody used to do them off camera anyways because they would take mad long. It did not take me that long. It's been like 5 minutes. I'm like, my room is a mess and I'm sitting on the floor and there's just so much stuff on the floor right now. I tried to do an ombre brow, so I put like a lighter one in the front. Honestly, I'm not gonna make it arch that much because the hair covers it. But my eyebrows naturally, I think they used to come down to like here, but I shaved them now and I'm not going back to like long eyebrows. I didn't like it. So this is as close as we're gonna get to that right now. Where is it though? Acting like I didn't just use it. The Urban Decay Stay Naked, this concealer is the only one that I have that's like lighter so that I can like clean up the edges of my eyebrows, but it's really just to like highlight it. You know, I made a video just last year where I recreated my makeup from freshman year and I literally hated doing it, but now I don't know, maybe because other people are romanticizing it or whatever, it seems more fun. Now it's like, oh, I remember that time. I miss when Kylie Jenner used to have ombre hair. I feel like that was the time where Kylie was relevant. Like now, I don't care. Oh, can it just... Oh my... It's alright, because I used to struggle exactly like this. Madison Beer Morphe palette. It's discontinued, but you can find it at TJ Maxx. I always use this shade. You can see the dent in it. Then I'm gonna take one a little bit darker, just like here, because that's what I used to do. I got the Stila eyeliner yesterday at TJ Maxx. Thought it would be very... I didn't know I was making this video until 15 minutes ago, but I just thought it would... I wanted it. I feel like Stila eyeliner would have been popular at this time. I don't know, I wasn't doing eyeliner because I was like scared of it. Very uneven. I'm trying to make it thicker because I feel like at the time it would have been thick. And this one is going down, but it's okay because at the time everyone just believed James Charles when he said they're sisters, not twins. This lip combo I actually like. This lip combo I love right now. The NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Nude. When I did my contour earlier, I put it above and below my lip. I don't know why, but this makes it look better when you overline your lips. And you know I gotta overline it right now for the Kylie moment. I don't have the type of lip shape where you can really overline it and it'll look normal. The way that my lips like protrude or whatever, some people their lips are like, I guess, flatter, but mine, because it comes out, if I put a line like back here, you can tell that my lip like goes in like this. And then for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this matte liquid lipstick from NYX. It's a NYX lip lingerie. I believe the shade is Undressed. It's covered because when you work at Ulta, they have to like approve that you paid for everything, so they covered the shade. They don't have to cover the shade, that just happens. Once you see the color, you're like, yeah, this would be a KYLIE lip kit. I could have bought a KYLIE lip kit because we do sell them at Ulta. Personally, I've just heard terrible things about the formula and that they're very, very extremely dry. I remember this guy next to my middle school used to sell the counterfeit ones. Like when I would walk to the train, he would sell the counterfeit like KYLIE lip kits for like $5 when they actually were like 18 or something like that. And I remember she had a pop-up in New York and everyone from my middle school went, but I didn't go because I was like, they got the cheap ones right here, why I'm gonna go spend money on the real one. I feel like maybe their formula was good back then. Now it's not, but I wonder if it was better and it declined, or if it's just always been bad and our standards used to be lower. I bought this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and Flexitarian. I remember this shade specifically of this highlighter used to be all over Tumblr. On every YouTube tutorial, everyone was like, Flexitarian, Flexitarian. And they finally had it today in store at Ulta, because usually it's sold out. But I love the formula of this. It's like this like putty thing. I don't know how to explain it. You've probably tried it before. It's been famous for a long time. There is so much makeup that I never got to try that were like staples and just like very important in like YouTube tutorials and stuff, because when I first started doing makeup, first of all, I couldn't afford it and I was hiding that I was doing makeup. I used to do my makeup on the train every morning going to school and then take it off immediately before I got home so that my grandmother wouldn't fight with me about it. I wasn't spending like large amounts of money on this makeup. The only thing I had was Tarte Shape Tape. Because I was a YesStyle influencer, I literally was just using YesStyle makeup only, like exclusively, just because it was cheaper and I was like, this stuff is good quality and I'm not wasting money on it, which is true. But I know I definitely missed out on a part of the culture of just like experiencing these makeup products that now we would say are terrible, but being able to experience firsthand how makeup improves, like I didn't get to experience that because I couldn't like afford like Too Faced. It's whatever, cause now I get to try everything and have mad fun. I'm gonna use this Stila Stay All Day mascara. This is a cute shade. Just became obsessed with mascara because I never used it before. So recently I've been trying a bunch of different drugstore mascaras, cult classic mascaras like the Maybelline plushies, Maybelline falsies, all of that, because I never tried it before. If this was a really, really accurate tutorial, I would be using some Lily lashes, probably like Lily Lashes Miami, because they used to always sponsor everybody. I don't feel like putting lashes on right now because I'm about to take this makeup off. You see how my room looks. I am having menstrual cramps right now, really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you for watching this is my completed King Kylie look. Did this make you feel nostalgic of 2016? And if you feel the need to reminisce about 2016, let me know down below what was fun for you at that time. But some of you can't see Kylie being like, Kylie, King Kylie.